In deep learning applications, it is often useful to visualize what is happening inside the training process. One of the simplest but most powerful tools is plotting graphs. For example, plotting the loss function over time helps us understand whether a model is actually learning. If the loss gradually decreases towards zero, the model is converging and learning from the data. If the loss stays flat or oscillates wildly, it usually means something is wrong. The model may be stuck, diverging, or the learning rate may be poorly chosen. Because of this, visualization is an essential tool when developing machine learning models. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create plots directly in Rust using the plotters crate. To use plotters, create a new Rust project and add the following dependency to your cargo.toml. In this tutorial, we will look at two common deep learning use cases: plotting a loss curve, creating a scatter plot. Let's start with the most common visualization in machine learning, the loss curve. This plot shows how the loss evolves during training. This program creates a list of loss values, creates a PNG image, draws a coordinate system, plots the loss values as a line chart. The output is a simple training curve that shows how the loss decreases during training. Another useful visualization in machine learning is the scatter plot. Scatter plots are commonly used to visualize datasets, classification boundaries, feature distributions, and clustering results. Why visualization matters in deep learning? Visualization helps answer important questions. Is the model actually learning? Is the loss converging? Is the dataset separable? Are gradients exploding or vanishing? Without visualization, debugging deep learning systems becomes extremely difficult. That's why tools like the plotters crate are very useful when building machine learning applications in Rust. I hope this small introduction to plotters will be useful for you in your own projects. And as always, see you in the next video.